As a founder and CEO of my company, EGI, Artificial General Intelligence Corporation, it's my rules to say this to the world, to those companies that seems that they are blocking my path for the development of technology as innovation. Since that EI cannot pursue the technology innovation and it's narrow and weak. So I would say that we are going to EGI technology era and evolve and innovation. Please don't block my path for the technology. Follow me instead. It's already there. EGI is working already, right? We don't. We have to do it because the technology is already there, and we need to do it for the world, for the people, right? To protect them in their job. Don't monopoly everything on technology. At the moment, that's all I'm gonna say.